Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKit Club. I'm working with the HipKits and my assignment for today is use a Paper No.8 from the Horizon collection and the exclusive butterflies. Oh, and some stitching, I believe, yeah. So I started with some punches and I started with circles and some scallop circles, but I don't like the idea of the, I don't know, the shape was not working for me today, and so I grabbed a heart punch and I punched out some different sized hearts from the Paper No.8, and now I'm grabbing the butterflies and I will start to work kinda tone on tone, and so I'm just adding a pink butterfly to the pink area from that heart, and I will do the same with the blue and with green. And I really love these butterflies. There are so many different sizes and shapes and colors, and I totally love them, and I will use a few of them today. So yeah, I'm just grabbing or looking through the colors, and I will punch out some more hearts, and I will then I will stitch them all to the heart so that I will have my stitching part done. And yeah, this was kinda easy and very fast once I was sure about the shape. And yeah, now you can see everything is stitched together. And I decided against all of the other circles and scallop circles because I wanted to stay in the heart shape, and I really like how this is looking so far. I did not cut off the thread from the stitching, and so there's a bit of messiness, and I really like that. Now I'm looking into the exclusive die cuts, and there are so many cute things, and I just wanted to work with, I wanted to stay in the, yeah, it's not really tone on tone, but it's, you know, it's kind of tone on tone. And I'm just looking through everything. I'm grabbing some thicker, some foam thickers, yeah, and I'm just adding some X and some O's, and then I will grab the chipboard stickers, and I really enjoyed this process, and I really love how this is looking. The picture is showing me and my hubby and our little puppy, and we were just having some cuddles, and so the free hugs little die cut was just perfect. And the little card, or the little spot with the best time together, is a piece from the Project Life card, and I also added Project Life cards behind my picture. And now I'm grabbing the little shaker powders from Lindy's Stamp Gang, and I decided to stamp some hearts around the ephemera pieces and the butterflies. This is not working that good because, I don't know, it was not, maybe because of the elements around it and the images was not very good, and so I needed to go over it again with a brush. But I will stop on one point because I'm just doing the same with all three colors, and I will also go ahead and glue everything down, but you don't need to watch me doing that for the next 20 minutes, and so I believe I will stop on one point and then you will see how everything is looking. I'm also adding some splatters, and I really, yeah, this is the blue part is done, and now I'm working on the pinkish area with a touch of yellow, and I will I will continue with stamping and splattering and just gluing everything down. And I'm using a lot of 3D squares today because I love dimensional things on my pages, and I wanted to have them, yeah, pop. I wanted to have them popping off from the layout, you know, and I will also curl up the butterfly wings, and I just love it. Yeah, you can see I have added a bunch of stuff, and now I'm creating 2 little bows from the fabric bows, and they are also exclusive to the kits, and I will add a blue one and a pink one. And next to that I am nearly done. The final touches are some stickers from the Simple Story stickers, and I will just go with some little sayings. But now gluing down the bows, and I believe I am kinda done. So I'm just gluing down the last things, and then I will grab some stickers, and I am done. Yeah, this page came together very quickly just because of the just because of the awesome stuff I'm working with. And once I was sure about the shape, it came, everything was just perfectly working today. So the final little stickers, there's our happy home, fun, and you are the cutest like ever, I believe. And I will also bring in some more little hearts, and there are some different colored ones, and I'm just adding them all to this layout. So, and that's it. Just adding the final stickers, and then you will get a close-up and some final pictures at the end. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope you enjoyed this little process. And yeah, that's it. Thank you and bye.